This is why your account hits zero every month. It's not bad luck. It's not because you're lazy. It's a loop you don't even realize you're stuck in. Every month, you earn money. You spend fast. You regret later. Then you wait for the next salary. And the cycle repeats. You think you need more income. But most people earning more still stay broke. Why? Because their spending rises just as fast. No system. No control. Just bigger numbers and same emptiness. Money becomes emotional. You spend to feel good. You spend to escape. You spend to reward yourself. And then? You feel guilty. Not richer, just more drained. The truth is, you don't have a money problem. You have a system problem. And without a system, emotions take over. Always. You're pouring your income into a leaking bucket. Subscriptions you forgot. Daily coffees. Late-night impulse buys. It all adds up. Silently. The fix isn't exciting. It's boring. Automatic savings. Fixed budgets. Simple rules. No decisions. Just systems. Most people won't do this. Because it's not flashy. It's not Instagram worthy. But this is how quiet wealth is built. Not loud. Not fast. Just steady. Real wealth looks boring. Same phone for 5 years. Home-cooked meals. Spending from a plan, not emotion. But behind the scenes? Freedom. They don't budget daily. They automate weekly. They check money once a week, not every panic moment. They control the system. The system doesn't control them. If you're always broke, it's not about effort. It's about direction. Where is your money going? And who decided that path? Change starts small. 1% of income saved. Track 3 emotional spends this week. Pause 3 seconds before a buy. Tiny wins, stacked. You're not stuck. You're just repeating what you were never taught to question. Break the loop. Build slow. And stay free. You don't need more hustle. You need fewer leaks. Start with awareness. Add a system. And give it time. Quiet wealth is real. And it's waiting for you. Subscribe for more engaged learnings.